everyone. So I'm back, or not back. I was never really in YouTube to begin with, but a few years ago I made a video on Python on how to make a robot barista. I did that, I think 2 years ago. I kind of forgot about it. It was for a school project, but the other day I was at my channel and I saw that someone had commented on the video saying I should keep doing videos about programming. So that's what I'm gonna try to do today. But today we're gonna switch up because I have kind of forgotten my Python programming as I went on to get another education. I've now learned a bit of C sharp that I'm gonna teach you instead. So as in the previous video, we can start. I don't know actually if you can go on Replit to make C sharp apps. I think you can. I'm gonna try. I don't want. I have not used this for a very long time, so we're not gonna do that. As I said in previous video, I prefer Visual Studio. What you can to do this as last time, you go to here to Visual Studio 2022. If you don't have it installed, it's just to go on your Google or Chrome or whatever you are using, and you can find it there. But here we're gonna create a new project. You can use this, the console app. I see I don't have it on this computer, so there's this one. I think it's this one. No, this one is. You can use this, but I prefer to use this one. It's because I will explain to you why in a few moments, but you can either use this, just console app, or this one, console app, and it says .NET framework in brackets. So I will use this. Let's type it to I001. So we're gonna just load it in. You can name yours whatever you want and save it whatever you want. So now we're here. The reason I wanted to use the framework one is because then you get these things. They are not really useful for what we're doing today, which is also the robot barista. For this video, once again, Ollie created for the idea. Go to Networks Chuck, based off his Python tutorial, which is really good. You should go check it out if you want to learn Python. I'm not as good at programming as he is, so this is just for basic fun. Anyway, we're gonna do a robot barista once again, but this time in C sharp. So as the last time, we're gonna start by doing some variables. So we can, I forgot how this actually, but we can do a string and name it order and have it equal to just nothing for now because it's, well, empty. Then we can have a string for the name because, you know, having your name is always nice when you're being greeted by the barista. So we have name, and we can just put that to empty as well. You can do this in other ways, which I can show you later, but we're going to do this for now because then it's kind of the same as my Python video. Now it's a lot of yapping, so I'm gonna shut up now for a few moments and just do this. And then we can do a console write line. Here in Visual Studio, you can just type CV and press tab. It will do it for you. Then you can say hello. Oh, I think I named it Visual Coffee last time. So we have that. This right line does it so that when this is printed, it goes on just one straight, and then the next time I want to say something in the command prompt, it goes into the next one. So if I just write, if I remove the line here, my cursor will then here, my cursor will jump down and go like this in the console when I start them. But here it will just keep on the same like level. So we can say, to make it more nice, we can go, what's your name? Now we can use our name variable, which we created earlier, and go name equals console.readline. So this will just, you know, as you can guess, it will read the line that you just put in. So if you put in your name is 555, it will just assume that's your name. We can come to that later, where you can uh, kind of tell the computer not to accept everything as a name. Or maybe your name is that, and then you should, of course, be able to be called that. So moving on, we can now do once again console.writeLine. Not that. Sometimes it doesn't do what you want, Visual Studio, but it is good for the most part. Okay, we're gonna have to spell it out. Like that. We can go here either. You can, I like to do this. This is what most people do. Put a dollar sign before your string in here. Then you can write hello. This is because then you can use brackets, curly brackets, sorry, to just input your variable. So we can go name, because if you remove this, this doesn't work. It just assumes this is part of the string. So that's why you have to do the dollar sign. Or you can, of course, just do a plus. I will show how to do that later in the same project. What? Like that. And as in the previous tutorial, we can now also make the order a string, so we don't have to. No, sorry, the menu a string. And now I forgot what we had, but I think we had a cookie. I don't know, coffee, of course, because it's once again a weird coffee shop with no coffee in it. I don't know what can we have more. M&Ms are pretty good. Please sponsor me. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. We can have bread, maybe. No, not bread. What's it called? Sandwich. I don't know how to spell that. So bread. Yeah, that will have to do for now. So we can now do once again a console.writeLine, and we can write here is our menu, like that. And then now we can use the plus, not that, sorry. And we can now make our order here. No, not order. We can put our menu here. Sorry, once again. And we can put our menu here. It was a long time ago I had to talk to myself or not to myself, I'm talking to you, but when I'm recording, it's not talking to myself. So here's our menu. And now we can just use the same at the end. So we can make an order equals read line. Now to finish this off, we can make constant write line. We can I'm gonna do this now because it's a lot better. Okay, then our name. Oops. Your whatever, or what we ordered now. So our order will like that. Now, of course, this is very basic, so it doesn't matter if you order the entire menu or if you just order a cookie. It would still take 5 minutes. This is also something that I can cover later on. So we can save that and we can start. I hope this works. If it doesn't, it's going to be pretty embarrassing. So here we get our console, which is this. What we're typing in here. My name is Greg. It's not, but for now it is. Greg, I think that's how I spell Greg. So, hello Greg, what would you, hello Greg, what would you like to order? Here's our menu. I forgot to put, the colon here. I would like a cookie. And now it crashed. What? What? I think it just froze down. So we can do a console dot read key, which is just that it reads that you pressed a key. And now we can also add our comma here. This is normal. This happens sometimes, so it's no biggie. I'm not used to this PC. Where is it? I, how do you spell Greg? I don't know. So we'll be named Bob. Bob. I was like, yeah. So it closed down. So okay, Bob, your cookie will be ready in 5 minutes. So that's once again a very simple robot barista, but this time in C sharp. Hope you liked the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.